Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm going to be drilling 3 holes in a stone, each one of them 1/2 inch in diameter. First one's going to be done with a Black & Decker special 1/2 inch electric drill, antique. The second one will be done with a Milwaukee hammer drill, modeled after the hole shooter. And then the third one will be with the Skill Roto Hammer, model number 731, with a 1/2 inch drill bit. All in the same rock. We're going to see just how much work each one of these 3 can do. Well, this one has just pecked a dent in the top of the stone. Let's try the Milwaukee. Well, that's a lot better than the Black & Decker. Our drill bit's gotten pretty warm though. All of them approximately the same amount of time spent drilling. Roto Hammer, almost 2 inches. Hole shooter, about 1 inch. Black & Decker left a pretty good mark about 1/8 of an inch deep. On the battle of the concrete drills, I think the Roto Hammer has a clear win. The Milwaukee, even though I'm right up at the max of this thing's rating, it did a fine job of drilling. The Black & Decker, even though it's a good drill motor, it's just outclassed. It actually has a better drill bit than the one in the Milwaukee hammer drill. Just to test that theory, I'm going to swap drill bits and put the one from the hammer drill in this one, see if it improves. Slightly more. This is a comparison of the 3 drill bits, a little more up close. The one on the left is the standard, the one in the middle is the impact from Harbor Freight, and the one on the closest side is the Skill. Slight difference. The Black & Decker did slightly better with the silver drill bit. The other drill bit is set up for a percussive hammer, so it has a cutting edge that is pointed, so it acts more like a star drill. It's pounding and grinding. It doesn't cut quite as freely as the silver drill, which has more of a twist drill grind to it. Just one sharp edge on the leading edge. The Roto Hammer, with its specially designed bits, has got the same impact style drill bit, but with its additional weight and the number of impacts that it does per second, hands down winner. Now I don't think I want to hold this one up and drill holes in walls with it very long. But drilling a hole into the floor, yeah, I'd pick this one every time. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. So I finally got the skill 731 drilling. Next challenge is going to be setting up to do hammering. I want to see what it does. Gardeners at duty, trimming the yard.